Hello everyone, how are you doing today? My name is Matthew Allo, your MOS Excel Exam instructor. So you are welcome to today's class. So today we are going to learn about if function in Excel. So if function is one of the most important functions in Excel. It's one of the most popular functions in Excel. So with if function, you can make a logical comparison between a value and what we expect. Is basically what you can do with if function is to make logical comparison. If something is true, do this. If something is false, do that. So that is what you can do with if function. So let's illustrate this with an example. So you have a worksheet here. So this is the record of sales by salesman. So now assuming the remark want to display bonus, you want to give bonus to a salesman that recorded a sale that is more than 300,000 here. So looking at the total, so if the sales is above 300,000, such a salesman should be given a bonus, and if not, it should not be qualified for a bonus. So how do we do this? So just click on the cell under the remark, this cell F6. So you just type equals to if. So this is how you enter the formula for the if function. So if, then you open a bracket, then you just select the cell here, if E6, if E6 is greater than, if it is greater than 300,000. So if it's greater than 300,000, so what should happen? If it's greater than 300,000, then it should be qualified for a reward. So 300,000. So type 300,000. 300,000. Okay, so you place a comma there. So that should be qualified for a bonus. You just type bonus. So if it is text, you just put text in double quote, a bonus, then double quote, then you place a comma. Then what happens? The value if false, the value if true has been recorded, then value if false. So you just again open a quote, no bonus. Okay, so it should be above 300,000. So let's see. So now you close with the double quote, then again the closing brackets. So can you see that? So if this is more than is greater than 300,000, you will qualify for bonus. This value if true, then value if false. You just press the enter key. Okay, so for the first man, you have a bonus for him because the sale is more than 300,000. So you can see that. So now you just drag down to generate the rest. Okay, so that means 3 of them are qualified for bonus. So you have the one that had 350,000, then this with 370,000 and 340,000. So others have below 300. So that is they have below 300,000. So it should be more than 300,000 before you can be qualified for a bonus. So that's just how you illustrate with the if function. So now again, let's see another example. Okay, this one you have the scores of students in a particular test or exam. So now the remark wants to display any one that has a score that is 700 and above, so should be given a pass mark. Then if it's not up to 700, that should be given fail. So how do I establish that? So you click on just click the cell here. So under the remark, you have equals to if. You start with if, then you open a bracket. Now if the score here, right, just click if it is greater than or equal to 700, like 700 and above, then you put comma. So what should happen? What will happen? So that's pass. So you just type pass, then the comma, then double quote again. So value if false, that should be fail. Okay, so close the bracket so you can see that. Then you press the enter key. Now to generate the rest, just either double click here or drag down. Okay, so the fill handle has generated the rest for you. So looking at the remark, 880 is more than 700, so pass. 690 is lower than 700, fail. 820 pass. 914 pass. 700 pass, but it's 700 and more than 700, so 638 fail. So the rest, so you can see 516 fail, 720 pass, then 670 fail. Okay, that is how you do that. So ensure you practice what we have learned today to gain more understanding. So we are going to meet in the next class. So see you in the next class. Bye. I believe you have learned a lot from the video. So to keep getting this kind of video, ensure you click on the subscribe button and drop your comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.